Hi everyone, today I'll be making strawberries covered in chocolate. Anyone can make these, you just need a little bit of practice to make them perfect. And the more you practice, they'll get better each time. I'm very picky when it comes to chocolate because when you'll be eating the strawberries, the chocolate will taste better if you pick the right one. So my favorite is the Ghirardelli and Godiva. And also I'll be adding a little color to my strawberries with some ruby chocolate. Ruby is a chocolate that is naturally pink, so I won't be adding any food coloring. But if you decide to add food coloring, just add some to the white chocolate. I'll be melting the chocolate in microwave. I usually do 20 seconds, then I give it a good mix, then I do another 20 seconds, and I'll repeat this until it's melted completely. I'll be using pink to decorate, so I'll transfer it to the piping bag. And also I'm setting aside a few spoons of brown chocolate. I'll be using it for decoration as well. And a few spoons of white chocolate. And here I have my strawberry. I already washed it. And I'm setting it on paper towel. The most important thing to remember when you do chocolate covered strawberries is to get rid of all the water completely. So every time I'll be getting a new strawberry to dip it in chocolate, I'll be wiping it with paper towel again to make sure I have no water at all, because water won't let the chocolate to stick to the strawberry. Simply dip the strawberry in chocolate and give it a quick shake. And this is one simple way you can decorate the strawberries, by going with a different color back and forth. And I want to remind again that I'll be wiping each strawberry right before it gets dipped in the chocolate. So we're going to simply dip the chocolate on all the sides and then give it a quick shake to get a thinner chocolate shell. And also I'll lightly scrape the bottom of it to thin out the base of the chocolate shell. And you can place the strawberry on any non-stick surface as parchment paper, silicone mat, or even a plastic wrap. And this is another simple way we can decorate the strawberries, by making thin horizontal lines on a strawberry with a different color. And with a toothpick, I'm gonna do vertical lines. And be very gentle, you just wanna lightly touch the chocolate. Another great way to decorate strawberries is to dip them in some nuts. So here I have some pistachios. Almonds and walnuts will be amazing as well. Another way is to dip the strawberry in chocolate first, and then go with a different color and make this kind of bow curved line. I think this is very cute, especially with pink. And I noticed if you hold the strawberry in the air, it will be easier to control where the chocolate falls. Another is my absolute favorite. It reminds me of Raffaello strawberry. Dip the strawberry in white chocolate first, and then dip in desiccated coconut. It's important to get desiccated because the flakes need to be dry. And this is another way, toward the end when I have a little bit of chocolate left, I'll add some white chocolate to the brown chocolate. And then kind of spread it, but don't mix. And when I'll dip the strawberry, it'll create very pretty patterns. You can also add some color at the end and then dip just lightly, and it'll give more color. Let the chocolate harden completely before transferring the strawberries. And I find it best is to put the strawberries in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't tried making strawberries, definitely try because it's not hard at all. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye!